Hey guys, it's Princess.
Oh my!
Ah! Don't do that. That's. Why did you do that to me?
That's what I do, kid. That's what I do.
But anyways, hey guys, it's Princess LPS here, and today I got the hiccups. Like that. So, who hates hiccups? Me? Yes. Raise your hand if you hate hiccups. One. Okay, there's 3 people. Oh, wait, nope. 62 people. All right, 62 people hate hiccups. Well, whoever watches this, I don't know. Probably like 3. But yeah, I got the hiccups, and I think they stopped now because of her. But yeah, no, I'm yawning, and I don't know what to do for a video. Oh yeah, oops. Alright, so I was thinking about doing a Q&A on this channel, so leave some questions down in the comments. Then probably in the next video, if you leave a question down there, I can see it and hopefully then reply it in the video. So yes, I'm just saying that. Oh, that was weird. Did you see that? It was like hold on, it was like just like and leave me some ideas for videos down in the yeah, but I have to go, not go, yeah, bye.